The following video, which you are about to see, was inspired by Long Beach Griffey. You could clearly tell by the style of the video. So you see this, you should, share this and tag him in it. Tell him to holla at your boy, because reasons. Also being said, don't unsubscribe. This was just a joke. I can't believe this.
Woo! That movie was great, wasn't it? All the way from the point where she completely butchered her voice acting straight down to when she overthrew Donald's voice. I mean, it was amazing. Grade A performance. Grade A.
Maybe she was just having a bad day.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Oh, wow. You actually agree with me?
Hell no! Her voiceover was trash and her singing was too damn strong to begin with, and y'all knew that from jump. Man, Beehive was not a good name for y'all. Because her performance got y'all looking saucy as hell. PF Chain looking at me. Oh, I'm trying to tell you. You know what? I swear on my mother, Little Mermaid better be 5 times better than this bull that we just saw. How about you get somebody with some actual talent or something, like Carrie Hilson?